A stable foundation is crucial for the safety of your home. Let's hear the symptoms of this unstable foundation in East Falmouth, Massachusetts.
Inches, certain parts of the foundation, especially in the front of the house, were a few inches lower. These were the early warning signs of when the house was sort of pulling away from itself.
Yes.
And so that physical shift is, of course, what caused those 2x4s that are meant just for the railings to become weight-bearing.
And that's where our team steps in with our solution. Push Piers will permanently stabilize a home's settling foundation, and in many cases, raise it back up. First, soil is removed from around the home to give our crew access to the footing of the foundation. Then, specially engineered steel brackets are secured under the footing. Shortly after, steel piers are driven into the ground from a hydraulic ram until they reach bedrock. Next, the weight of the home is transferred from the foundation through the brackets and piers to bedrock. A lift of the home is attempted and the soil is replaced. If you have any foundation concerns, don't hesitate to call Dry Zone Basement Systems. We're here to make sure your home stands strong for the years to come.